guys, it's Jessie Lynn Somerville Kane and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button, and if you're returning, then thank you so much for being here. I know I said I was going to upload on Thursdays and Sundays, but I wanted to upload kind of like a bonus video because I finally got my hands on the Maybelline Lemonade Craze palette, and I couldn't wait. Like, I had to hurry up and create an eye look with this, and so I just wanted to go ahead and film it while I did. I have been waiting for my Walmart to get it because, like I said in one of my previous videos, I live in a very small town. We don't have Target, Ulta, we got Walmart, and I wasn't going to pay shipping and handling just to order this off Ulta. So, we finally got it. I finally got it. So excited. So first off, I'm gonna go in with Sherbet, which is that shade right there, and I'm just gonna put that in my crease. And I've got like this dry patch right here, y'all. I'm sorry, my allergies are acting up so bad. So, and I will say I'm noticing right off the bat that this does have some fallout in this shade, but that's okay, because I would rather have some fallout than literally having to dig your brush into something and not even getting any color off of it. Which, with this being my transition shade, it's pretty much the same color as my lid, so it's really not going to show up much anyways. Next, I'm going to go in with Sweet Tea. Let me cover my face. Okay, this one don't have as much fallout. I'm just putting that in my crease as well. I'm going in with a very light hand when I'm doing this. I was going to film this tomorrow, but my 8-month-old has shots in the morning, so I didn't know how she was going to feel after that. And then tomorrow night, my cousin's having a gender reveal party, and I'm so excited about that. And then me and my husband are going to come home and watch the I Can Only Imagine movie, and I'm so excited about that. Now, I want to go in with Lemonade Craze. And I'm sure y'all can hear my daughter again. They're in there playing. Alright, now I'm going to go in with the denser brush, and I'm going to go in with that yellow shade and put some of that in the corner. I'm just making sure that's blended real good. I don't want a big patch looking like some mustard on my eye. I'm going to take Ice Pop, which is that shade right there. I'm going to work that in my crease, just like a tiny line. Alright, I'm just going to kind of blend that a little bit around that topper part, or around the top part of it. If y'all ever hear my daughter in there and y'all think she's like screaming, she's a squealer. Like, she does this like scream, and it's so cute. Oh, I'm just going to go in with some some concealer and put that on my lid. Alright, now I'm going to take a cream shadow brush. I sprayed it with some setting spray. That just fell. And I'm going to go in with Main Squeeze, which is that like gold shade right there. This color is so pretty, y'all. Alright, I'm going to take that pencil brush, and I'm going to go in with the Old Fashioned. And I'm going to use that to keeping up the outer corner a little bit. Okay, now I'm going to go back in with Lemonade Craze, and I'm just going to go in with the small brush. I'm going about halfway with that. Now I'm going to go in with Coral Punch right there under my eye on the other half. Alright, that's all I'm going to do with my eyeshadow. I'm going to finish the rest of my eye makeup real quick, which just consists of liner and mascara off camera real quick, and I'll be right back so you can see what everything looks like put together. Alright, this is the final look. I absolutely love how the eye look turned out. If you have not gotten your hands on this palette yet, I highly recommend it. These colors are so easy to work with. They're so beautiful. They blended out, and just, I really love the way this look turned out. I went ahead and put on false lashes. And if you're wondering about anything else that I have on my face, I am going to link everything down below, so you can check that out. And I don't think I have any announcements. Oh, I have thought about doing a Q&A video. So I'm going to start gathering up any questions anybody has. So feel free to comment down below, ask me any question. I'm not going to answer there. I'll screenshot it and save it for my video. If you have me on Instagram, Twitter, whatever it may be, you can message me, whatever. So I'm going to be working on that, and I guess that's it. I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, then I don't know why you finished watching it this far. Just don't watch it. And but I hope you did. And if you're not already, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And that'll be it for today. I will see y'all next time. Toodles!